Welcome back to Teacher's Helper 123 channel. In this video, we will discuss how to multiply decimals using whole numbers times decimal numbers and multiplying decimals by decimals. Please check out my other videos above on adding and subtracting fractions. Be sure to like and subscribe so that I can continue bringing you quality education videos. If you would like additional information that will support you in the classroom, please check out my TPT store. Remember from our previous video, a decimal number includes a whole number and a fractional number, and it may look like this, 10.12. Let's start with multiplying a whole number by a decimal number. Here are our steps. First, ignore the decimal point. Multiply the numbers as usual. Third, count the number of places in the decimal number. Fourth, starting from the right, place the decimal point in the answer using the same number of places of the decimal number. This will make sense with an example. Okay, here's our first example, 4.36 times 55. Our first step is to rewrite the number 436 times 55. We rewrote this number by removing the decimal point from 4.36. Our second step is to multiply. After you do your multiplication, we get an answer of 23,980. Number 3, we're going to take 4.36. It's a decimal number, so we're going to count the places over from the right. There are 2 decimal places in this number. Now let's take a look at our answer and count 2 places from the right and rewrite our answer. So when we multiplied the numbers, we had the answer of 23,980. Starting from the right, counting over each place, our answer would be 239.80. You do not have to add the zeros as it does not change the value of the number. So the way that we got that answer is we started from 0 and we moved our decimal point over 2 times. Okay, now I want you to try these examples using the same steps that we highlighted before. Listen for an explanation and pause the video to try these on your own. Okay, how did you do? If you need more assistance, please comment below or rewatch the steps at the beginning of the video. Okay, so let's move on to multiplying decimal numbers by decimal numbers. Here are our steps. Number 1, ignore the decimal point. Multiply like normal. And then count the number of decimal places of each decimal number. So if you have 2 decimal numbers, you will count each number. Then add both amount of decimal places of each number and move the decimal point over starting from the right. This would be the total number of decimal places for both numbers. Let's take the example 13.75 times 5.5. So first let's rewrite or remove the decimal points. So our number should look like this, 1,375 times 55. Then we're going to multiply like normal. Our answer is 75,625. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to place the decimal point in the answer. So the number 13.75 has 2 decimal places, and 5.5 has 1 decimal place. So there are a total of 3 decimal places. Since there are 3 decimal places, you're going to move the decimal point 3 spots over, starting from the right. So the answer should be 75.625. Let's try another example and then practice on your own. Check out the description box for the answers at the end of the video. 73.24 times 5.1. First, we're going to remove the decimal points and multiply. So we're going to multiply 7,324 times 51. Our answer is 373,524. Count the decimal places of each number. So in the number 73.24, we have 2 decimal places, and 5.1, we have 1, so there are a total of 3. Move the decimal point 3 places over, starting from the right. So our answer should be 373.524. In this next section, I want you to try these on your own. There will be 3 examples, and you can pause the video or you can work them out after the video and check the comment section for the answers. Try it on your own first. So number 1, 0.23 times 0.12. Number 2, 87.8 times 2.8. Number 3, 2.727 times 4.4. Please like and subscribe to this channel and share with those that may need additional help with multiplying decimal numbers. Stay tuned for dividing decimal numbers. Be sure to check out my math playlist for additional help. Thank you so much.